2 weeks, we head to our next job. It's Beulah, North Dakota, and that's from the RV park season up there.
And they know they have a camp store because I'll be working in that as well as the office. Tom is going to be doing the Beulah Bay maintenance / groundskeeper.
2 weeks, we head to our next job. Our first job as full-time RVers was gate guarding.
Yep.
Our second job is what some people call camp hosting or work camping. It's like at an RV park if they need somebody to do office or maintenance, whether it's part-time or full-time, whether it's seasonal or whatever. And some of them, depending upon whether it's a very luxurious site, sometimes all the work is just so that you don't pay for your RV site. Some of it is half off your RV site, and it depends. Different RV parks offer different compensations.
And it looks like it's government-run park because they run under the Corps of Engineer rules. They have a lottery for seasonal sites. There's a limited number of seasonal sites, and of course people clamor for them. And so what they do is they run a lottery. People put in their names for it to get them, and then they whether they pay for just electric or full hookups, it looks like it's a seasonal pay, and it looks very reasonable. And they know they have a camp store because I'll be working in that as well as the office. And it's next to a lake. One of the things that Tom is going to be doing he's the Beulah Bay maintenance / groundskeeper. They host large events, a fishing tournament, and those are very big up there. So we're going up ahead of all of this, and we get a chance to let's get used to what the grounds are. Let's get used to what my office duties are going to be. Let's Tom start doing his maintenance and ground stuff, so that he knows where things are, and get into the mode before the crowd descends, because it looks like the seasonal people may come as early as beginning of May.
Yeah, so we're leaving on the 13th, which is a Monday.
Yeah.
We've adjusted the way we travel to where it's like 3, maybe 4 hours of
actual travel time per day.
Actual drive time.
Right.
Then you add in, do you stop for bathroom, gas, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But
stretch your legs.
We're chopping it down so that we don't burn ourselves out. We rest. We'll pull over. We're going to kind of flip back and forth between some boondocking, whether it's at a Walmart or a Cracker Barrel or something like that, and then maybe a Love's travel stop or something where we can get full hookup, so we can do shower, dump our tanks, refill water, that sort of stuff. So we're going to kind of do that on and off. We're probably looking about 4 days, maybe 5.
It's 5 total.
5 to get up there.
Yeah.
And that way you don't burn yourself out.
Yeah.
You don't have to leave so early in the morning, and you're not getting it dark, turning around, sleeping just to get up and do it again. You got some rest time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's
because traveling is very exhausting, at least it is for us.
So we plan to get up there
17th. We'll arrive on the 17th. Yeah, about the 18th. And our contract is actually 20 to 8 to the 18th.
This one I found on Facebook.
Yeah.
Whereas this one had the guaranteed pay.
Yeah. So
I would rather do the typical working hours and be on call.
Yeah.
And know that I'm know what my budget is. Right. I know what our income is.
Yeah.
About 5 months.
Then right after that, we're doing the other thing that we said we weren't sure we were going to do. But in the end, we decided if we don't try it, then it'll be worse than trying it and finding, oh no, that was too hard. But I think we're going to like it. Somehow I feel like we're going to like it. And that's the sugar beet harvest. We've been debating that one because we've watched a lot of YouTubers do that one, and it can be either very long, drawn out, boring, and horrible weather, or it can be just very exhausting because it's 12-hour days, back to back, 7 days a week for 2 weeks solid if the weather's good. Our Sojourner's journey.
Thomas and Heather Love.
Signing off.